Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about all about the aloe vera gel. In the previous video we did talk about two different ways to use the aloe vera leaf as a form of healing, but we're going to cover only the gel in today's video. Now the gel is very important for any sort of first aid, for burns, for wounds, for sunburn as well. I've talked about the gel and the ways that I use the aloe vera gel as part of the first aid kit in the previous videos about the herbal homemade first aid kit. But really the aloe vera gel is very important, specifically when it comes to people suffering from dry skin. Anyone suffering from dry skin, from sensitive skin, can use this wonderful gel to help in moisturizing the skin, to help in aiding cell renewal as well. And it is mostly used in Ayurvedic tradition. It's really an important tonic as well, because it can be used as an important tonic for excessive pitta, which is fire, and it's also applied fresh. So I know that they sell bottled aloe vera gel in the pharmacy and in the health food store, of which yes, I do get some of that. The organic ones, I store it in the fridge, just a tub of aloe vera gel, just in case if I'm running out of the plant or I'm on the go. So I just use that, but it's best to use fresh from the plant if you can. You can also use it as or make yourself some aloe vera ointment from the gel itself and use it that way. In this way it will have a long-term use, as in like the ointment can be stored for quite a while compared to the gel. So let's talk about the ways that we can use the gel. First of all, as I said, make yourself an ointment, and you can do so by either going through the ointment form of, like, as in we need some beeswax, we need some aloe vera gel, and we need a little bit of oil with that, or you can simply make yourself a simple aloe vera gel. Just start off by splitting several leaves of organic aloe vera, collecting a large quantity of the gel, and then just boiling it down to make sure that it is a thick paste, storing it in a clean sterilized jar in a cool place. Or I'd rather go through this second method of doing the ointment, which is using the gel, a little bit of beeswax, and also using a little bit of oil and adding some essential oil to that. Depends on what I'm going to use it for. So you can also use it fresh. Just simply apply it to insect bites, apply it to dry skin, apply it to wounds as well. And you can also internally use it. Just make sure you don't have any sort of ulcers or any sort of problems with its digestive system. That way, I usually purchase aloe vera gel and store it in the fridge, and just add 1 or 2 teaspoons to my water, or to my fruit, or to fruit juice, or to a smoothie, and just blend it up that way. I find that it really helps, especially with water on an empty stomach. It can be used as a wonderful tonic for digestive function, for helping to just clear up the face when it comes to the little breakouts I get here and there. So that was my own experience using aloe vera gel. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.